just arrived at our hotel in Koh Phangan, so we're checking in. And after this, we're probably going to go and look around, see what things we can do, and yeah.
All right, our bags are down, and now we are on our way to the beach. Can you hear it? Very windy out here. Look at the beach. Wow. There's actually waves on Koh Phangan Island. I had no idea. Okay, so just like Koh Samui, on Koh Phangan you have to rent a scooter to get around, but the taxis end up being very expensive. You pay about 250 baht a day.
Okay, so we've just got our scooter. We paid, initially it was 250 baht, 250 baht per day, but we actually got discounted for 200 baht a day, which is really nice. And we're now just going to explore a little bit. It's a bit late. I think, what's the time now? 5:30. 5:30. So it's a little bit late to go touring around the island, but we're just going to stay close by to the area and see what there is. So yesterday we didn't get to do much exploring, but today we're going to be exploring the island. We've just stopped now to have some breakfast at this cute little restaurant, and we have such a beautiful view. Look at that. Okay, so we're in the national park right now. You have to pay 100 baht each to get in, only for foreigners. It's 50 baht for children, and you can use it for the whole day. So if you need to go out, come back in, that's fine.
There's another national park just further up. You can use the same ticket at the other national park as well.
Yeah. I wore the wrong shoes.
You're not coming sandals.
We're coming flip-flops. They said it would be okay. I can wear it because we didn't expect to come here. We didn't plan. We just saw it on a sign and was like, oh look, a waterfall, let's go. So, I'm not wearing the correct clothes. There's a lot of stairs as well.
Okay. back on a nice walkway. And then onto the gravel again.
Onto the rocks.
The rocks and the roots and the trees. Okay, we made it to Koh Phangan Waterfall. Look how pretty it looks. It's so small and cute.
Okay, so we're here at Zoo Cafe. We've just finished at the waterfall. This is right next to the waterfall. Well, not next to it, next to the entrance of the waterfall. And we're just having a drink here quickly. Cute, they got some animals around here. And very peaceful and fun.
So we made it to the hanging palm tree.
The full moon party. I did my hair and we're now gonna go get some body paint done. So super excited. We're gonna show you around the walking street, which is the Koh Phangan walking street, which is really festive right now. They got all the lights going. You can really feel the vibe. So we're
so excited. Let's party.
It's our last day here on Koh Phangan. We did the full moon party last night, so I got my hair in. It was super fun.
Technically, it's our second last day.
Second last day. Okay, we're leaving tomorrow, but we're gonna do a little bit more exploring today and go see the other side of the island, because we've done only the one side so far. Yeah, so the full moon party last night, we couldn't get a lot of footage because when it starts to get dark, the footage just ends up looking super bad. We don't have one of those nice cameras that are good in low light. So we got a few little videos and pictures that we could show you, but that's about it.
The beaches. So this beach is called Chak Long Lam Beach. It's got a nice palm tree with a swing at the end.
Hey, if we said that incorrectly, I'm very sorry. I will put the correct name at the bottom of the video. So far, this is our favorite beach because it just gives such a tropical vibe. We love it. It's so quiet as well. There's probably only 5 people I can count on this beach right now.
I think next time I come to Koh Phangan, I would like to stay around here.
Yeah,
definitely.
It's so beautiful, peaceful and quiet. The sand's beautiful. Oh. have a drink at the Viewpoint, and now we're gonna go find a restaurant to have lunch at.
Alright, we here at a Monday restaurant. We just got a nice viewpoint. You can look over the ocean of Koh Phangan. And Jade is eating a nice Penang curry. And I mean, look at that view. But blurry, let's go back faster. Look at that. Good food and a good view. Wow. Yay, my pad thai has arrived. Yummy, I got my pad thai.